Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie.
And I'm Lee. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make the drink of Bermuda called the Rum Swizzle.
All right, folks, hope you enjoyed our video on how to make the Rum Swizzle. Thank you so much, Lee.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
So basically, I did some research just looking up rum drinks and stuff like that, and I found out that it is kind of disputed, but it's the national drink of Bermuda. I was like, oh, that sounds cool, so I went with it. It's just pineapple, orange juice, some bitters, a bunch of grenadine, both of our rums here, two of my favorites that we make. And normally when you make this, you use a swizzle stick. It's basically a stick from a turbinado bush or tree or something like that. They have a bunch of them down there. You put it in your hands kind of like this and then just move it back and forth. And it's got little pokies on the side that'll mix it together. And because it's made of that turbinado wood, it gets kind of that bitterness in there. That's where I substituted the bitters in here. So
nice, dude.
Basically it's fruit juice, grenadine, and bitters, and here we go.
God, it works good, man.
Works so
I
good.
really enjoyed this cocktail. Thank you so much.
And I feel like it has to be served in a tiki mug. Like,
yeah, I mean,
it's such a perfect glass for it.
You should have these in your house, but if you don't, maybe we'll put a link in the description.
Yeah, check out the link. We'll send you the Amazon listing to where we get these.
Yeah. Also, check out the description for the recipe, places to buy our rum, the rum classes we have coming up. We do that all the time, and it's really cool.
Yeah, cocktail classes are a great time. Everybody enjoys it, and you make some cool drinks like this.
Yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers, brother.
Cheers.